This is part one of building a DIY dog dummy launcher that's going to be on a remote control that can have range up to about 50 yards. So I bought these little remote units that will hook up to three 9-volt batteries in sequence so that they are 48 volts. The 48 volts will run one of these sprinkler valves. They're electronic sprinkler valves on 48 volts, and these two are actually 24 volts. This one's 48 volts, I think. So, or no, I think they're all, sorry, they're all 24 volts. So we'll run those. So that's the three 9-volt batteries. And how this will be is I'm going to use some tanks. If I can find a few more of these old CO2 fire extinguishers, I will use those over the 5-gallon air tank that I have. But they will be, I will take the top off, it will come out, it will go back along the body, the valve will sit here, the power unit will sit here, and the remote will sit here with the power unit. And when these launch, they will launch some dummies. I'll show you that in the next video. This is video 1, and there'll be sort of some different I will use most likely some airline, but also some of these, and I will grab a few longer ones than this that are over on the shelf there, and they will connect to their I think I will get these. This one I think is a 1/2 inch. I'll get them in 3/4 inch so they fit perfectly back to back. That one has a 1-inch one that I bought from Amazon, so I will have 1-inch threaded pipe for that. And then the launcher itself will be this part without the threaded on the one end, so I'll cut them, and it will be probably about an 8-inch. I'm making the dummies 8-inch, so this will be an 8-inch sleeve here. At the very end, I'll wrap a wee little bit of tape around it to make a full solid seal, and that will be, there'll be 2 on each tank, one facing this way, one facing this way, so when the dog gets within probably 30 meters, 20 meters, I can launch them. We'll do some fake shooting with dummy rounds from the shotgun, and then the dogs can go retrieve. This will be part of my training center at Hanging Horn Ranch. I will have 4 to 6 of these, and we can't use live birds in Saskatchewan, so it kind of sucks for dog training, but we'll do our best with doing this kind of stuff.